In today's video, we are going to reflect on our connection to nature, and I will share a beautiful poem by Kai Siedenburg with you. I've always felt a special bond with nature. You know, I grew up Roman Catholic, and religion in my childhood was quite often used for abuse and punishment. As soon as I started to visit elementary school and thus had some religious education, I was sent to confession as a sinner who didn't behave as expected or even rebelled against her parents. I was a scared 6-year-old girl who thought she would end up burning in hell unless she withdrew and wasn't seen and heard. Whenever possible, I used to escape to the fields and forests and lakes close to my home, which was, fortunately, in the countryside. I would say that this solitude, bonding and rooting saved my life, because between physical, emotional and mental punishments, I was able to recharge and recover. Let me quickly introduce myself.
Hi, it's Monica, your intuitive trauma transformation coach, who helps you face and successfully navigate through the storms of life, guiding you through a most powerful self-healing process and teaching you all the mindfulness tools you need to embark on your journey to your core self and create the life you've always envisioned.
There's something compelling about the natural world that draws humans to it. Whether this magnetism comes from nature's beauty, its restorative properties, or the pure air from old trees which we inhale when walking in a forest. Something within nature makes us healthier when we are in it. Also, it is when I am spending time in nature, in deep connection with trees, soil, flowers, wind and water, that I most easily connect with the world of spirit. The many beings sharing this earth and my deepest well of wisdom. I cannot even begin to count the number of times being outdoors, even if it's just for a few minutes in the middle of a busy day, has brought me clarity, a sense of belonging, and a reminder that I am just one small part of a much larger story. It is as if being in conscious connection with nature somehow allows my body and my senses to recall their wildness, freedom, and infiniteness. The world of spirit is truly alive, magical, and accessible in the world of nature. Blending nature connection and spirituality results in the most powerful experience for most of us, regardless of our religions, beliefs, and experiences. It's our opportunity to return home and reconnect to our heart and soul. This knowledge brings me comfort, gives me hope, and reminds me that exploring my nature connection and my spiritual path will continue intertwined for as long as I am able to reside on this earth. The mysteries and relationships to nature only deepen as time goes on. For this I am eternally grateful. Before I read the poem to you, please click on subscribe, give me a thumbs up and hit the bell as well. What if the leaves, stirred to singing by the breeze, sing with even more joy when they notice you are listening? What if the small white flower quivers with delight when you notice her tiny yet honorable contribution to the beauty of this world? And what if that brief moment is all she needs to know that her life is worth living, all her efforts not in vain? What if the trees feel the depth of your pain and are quietly reaching toward you, offering solace with everything they have to give? What if the whales diving into the deep blue can feel your love for them, even across all that open ocean? What if the water, weary of her endless journey, is replenished by your gratitude, which gives her the strength to keep going? What if the earth herself longs to feel the caress of your naked feet on her warm brown skin? And what if the granite mountain, no matter how remote and immovable he may seem, feels a quiet shiver of joy when you are touched by his majestic beauty? What if? I hope you enjoyed the poem. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments box below. You can really make a difference in people's lives if you could share this video. It's so important to share stories and inspirational poems. Like always, peace begins with me. Namaste, namaste. And don't forget, break free and live your magic.